are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clay Center, Marysville, Washington, Blue Rapids, Hanover, Waterville, Lynn, Greenleaf, Oldsburg, Randolph, Barnes, Moorville, Greene, Palmer, and Bremen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas, Marshall, and Washington. Significant weather.
Whoa! Oh my god, that was unexpected. Wow.